Hello, my name is Emily Fickett, and today I will be teaching you about the building blocks of life from Chapter 1, The Invitation of Life. What is it that makes up this lovely thing we call life? When we try to define these things, we end up with a list of properties that differentiate living from non-living. All these things are made up of the same building blocks called life. The organization begins with many things, such as atoms, molecules, cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, population, community, ecosystem, and the biosphere. This all starts with atoms. Atoms are fundamental building blocks of all substances, living or non-living. This circle is not representative of an atom, but a basic viewpoint. When atoms form together, they create molecules. Molecules are what determine life. The molecules of life are lipids, protein, DNA, RNA, and complex carbohydrates. This molecule in particular is water. The molecule of H2O. The two red dots are the hydrogen, and the blue is the oxygen. The next step for the molecules of life are becoming cells. Cells are the smallest unit of life. They survive and reproduce by using energy, raw materials, and information in their DNA. Some cells live and reproduce independently. Others do so as a part of a multi-cycled organisms. Organisms consist of one or more cells. This picture is of an animal cell with all of its many parts. An organized group of cells in a particular pattern is called the tissue. The arrangement allows the cells to perform a special function such as protection from an injury by using dermal tissue or movement by using muscle tissues. This is likely how you would see a tissue slide while in your lab looking under the microscope. An organ is an organized array of tissues that carry out a task, such as a heart pumping blood through the body. This organ is constantly moving because it is beating and moving blood throughout the body to keep you alive. When you have organs and tissues together, they make the organ system, which keeps the body working properly. This picture is of the many organs laid out in the human body. The human body has multiple different organ systems within it. A population is a group of interbreeding individuals of the same type, or species, living in a given area. An example of a population would be all of the students who go to Jacksonville State University. While the population is of the students who attend Jacksonville State University, the entire city, along with the stores, eating establishments, make it a community. When all populations live together, they live in a community. When the community is out and about, they're doing their jobs and doing everything else, it becomes an ecosystem. And that is what a community is, interacting with their physical environment. The sum of all these systems is a biosphere. Our planet is one large biosphere full of many ecosystems. There we all live and survive along with our cells, our atoms, our molecules, our tissues, our organs, our organ systems, our population, community, and our ecosystems. We all live as one in this biosphere.